Introducing the new PicoScope 7 software, the next generation user interface for any real-time PicoScope. Whether using a PicoScope all day, every day, or just occasionally, PicoScope 7 provides easy access to the controls and tools that engineers need to display and analyze their waveforms. PicoScope 7 has all the analysis tools you need to get answers quickly, whether carrying out a simple test or debugging a complex design. PicoScope 7 gives you the freedom to work from anywhere, anytime, with an intuitive design for quick and easy use. A customizable user interface means you can set up your workspace to suit your needs. Pin your favorite tools for a personalized user experience. Flexible display options allow you to clear your workspace and work seamlessly across multiple displays. Clearly visualize your waveforms and analyze results on a display of any size and resolution. Never miss a detail with our fully scalable interface. Complex waveforms can be viewed in detail using full screen mode. PicoScope 7 enables you to use your PicoScope as an oscilloscope, spectrum analyzer, function generator, arbitrary waveform generator, serial protocol decoder, and logic analyzer on MSO models. Over 30 built-in serial protocol decoders are included as standard, with many more in development. Save and share data anywhere across the world. With support for 27 languages, PicoScope 7 allows easy global collaboration and use worldwide. Whether you're highly experienced or just starting your career, we provide free software updates and lifetime support along your journey. PicoScope 7 for any engineer.